Welcome. Today we're doing an electrical install on the Bargman fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer 90-degree wiring harness on the 2011 Ford SuperDuty. The Bargman fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer 90-degree wiring harness allows for easy hookup of fifth wheel and gooseneck trailers by allowing you to hook up the 7-way connector in the bed of the truck. One of the most notable features of the Bargman fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer 90-degree wiring harness is that it has a 90-degree molded plug at the 7-way connector to protect your wiring. The Bargman 90-degree wiring harness works like a T-connector with the factory installed 7-way at the bumper. You just simply disconnect the factory installed 7-way connector and then connect the Bargman 90-degree wiring harness into the system. The 9-foot lead reaches almost anywhere you would like to locate it in the bed wall of the truck. The included spacer block allows for installation when there's not enough room inside the wall of the truck bed. The basic tools required for the installation will be a 3/32 and 1/4-inch drill bit, 2-inch hole saw, nut driver, center punch, and hammer. Determine a suitable mounting point along the driver's side of the truck bed wall. For this installation, we've selected to put it just forward of the driver's side wheel well. We've used a layer of masking tape to protect the truck bed wall from scratching as we drill our holes. Remember to check behind any surface prior to drilling to avoid damage to the vehicle and/or personal injury. Next, we will mark and drill a 1/4-inch pilot hole. Then, using our 2-inch hole saw, we will cut the opening for the Bargman 7-way connector. Using the 7-way end as a guide, mark the mounting hole locations with a center punch, then drill 4 3/32 holes as marked. Using a file, remove any burrs left over after the cuts have been made. Use a rust-proof coating in the drilled areas to prevent future rusting. Now we will remove the masking tape after the coating has dried. Route the harness through the mounting hole and feed the 9-foot cable into the truck bed wall. Mount the spacer block to the Bargman 90-degree 7-way end. This allows for proper clearances when the gap between the outer and inner truck wall is minimal. Place the included hardware in the 7-way end and into the pilot holes, then tighten securely. Now we want to carefully route the wires as to avoid any hot pipes, heat shields, the fuel tank, or any other points that may pinch or break the wire. Disconnect the 7-way factory harness on or near the bumper, then connect the Bargman trailer harness between the factory mating plugs. It's that simple. Secure the harness to the vehicle using the provided cable ties. The final step in the process is to test and verify the installation. We are using the Takancha current monitor to test all functions on the 7-way connector. In this step, we are testing all lighting and brake control functions as per the Takancha current monitor testing instructions. Well, thank you for watching this instructional video for the installation of the Bargman fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer 90-degree wiring harness.